Hello again, folks. This is David Lehr, and again we're using our robot friends to help explain the DMV packet that you likely got in the mail recently or will receive shortly.
First in the packet is the notice of stay and temporary driver's license. Occasionally, the notice of stay is sent in a separate mailing, so don't worry if it's not in the first packet you receive. Your temporary driver's license is valid until the outcome of your administrative hearing with the DMV. You will receive the results of your hearing about 5 days after it is conducted. Your packet will contain a list of items the DMV has mailed us. Please review the police reports and your blood alcohol level. Don't worry that your driving record looks confusing. We have been reading them for decades, so we understand it. When you first look at the police reports, don't be shocked if your memory of the events differs from what the police wrote down. The first reason this occurs is that you may have had some effect on your memory caused by the consumption of alcohol or drugs. Also, two people witnessing the same event will report it differently. When you read the reports, please do not focus on minor or insignificant differences. For example, whether your car was gray or silver. Instead, look for differences that may help us win your case. An easy example is whether or not you were driving the vehicle. This issue comes up often when no one sees you actually driving the truck before a crash. Also, look for things that can be proven different from what is written in the police report. For example, if the report says that you consumed 5 beers at the Tipsy Goat and you only had 2, consider whether you have a receipt proving how much alcohol you consumed. If a blood sample was taken and you disagree that the results are accurate, you can ask us to hire an independent lab to retest your blood sample for a modest extra fee to pay the laboratory. You should pay special attention to the alleged driving pattern described by the police. If you believe the report is inaccurate, sometimes we can obtain a video to prove that it is wrong.
Time for a mental health tip. Reading these reports may bring back bad memories that don't help your mind much. Remember, you cannot change the past, but together we can work on changing your future. If you become very upset upon reading the reports for the first time, I strongly suggest you reread the document a day or two later so you have time to adjust to the news in the reports. Nothing is so urgent that you must immediately torture yourself by reading the report. However, when you are able to handle it, rereading the report a few times might help to bring back more of your memory, which may assist us.
Now let's get back to the packet. Generally, the most significant factors to focus on in your police reports that help us help you are 1. The amount and type of alcohol you consumed before your arrest. Not what you told them, but what you really had. 2. The time that you started and stopped drinking alcohol. 3. What you had to eat before and while consuming alcohol. Food slows the absorption of alcohol and significantly changes your maximum blood alcohol level. 4. How much do you weigh versus what is written on your driver's license? Sorry, but we really need your real weight. 5. Whether you consumed any other substances, even if they were prescribed drugs, and when that consumption occurred. If you don't find anything that you strongly disagree with, that is okay. Just let us know. We usually take care of the DMV hearing without you. If we need your help, we will let you know what to do.
Our next video will explain what you must do if the DMV takes your license and how to get it back. This is David Lehr from StrongestDefense.com. Thanks for listening.